All right, this is very exciting. I'm a little nervous, but I'm looking forward to the whole thing.
I smell smoke and fire. I see a robe.
That's my integrity. If you've attempted to date in New York City, you know that having a big dating pool, not always a good thing. No. Not always a good thing. Maybe you just need a little magic.
I think a lot of people could use the magic part. Lucky for us, there's a bar in Flatiron that is helping us channel our inner Harry Potter and Hocus Pocus. The Cauldron brews up potions all year long, and they're here right now to teach us how to make the Cupid's Cauldron. So joining us to do just that, a lot of people all ears for this one.
That's right.
We have the Assistant General Manager, Dawson, and then, of course, the Potions Master, Richard. Welcome, you two, to New York Living.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thank you. So the first thing that we want to start off is just saying welcome all wizards, witches, and sorcerers to the Cauldron.
Oh.
My name is Dawson, and this is our potion master, Richard. He also goes by Griffith when we are in the store.
It's true. You'll catch me, of course, in Griffith when we're there. But for now, of course, welcome, welcome. And happy Valentine's Day, by the way.
Happy Valentine's Day. I mean, you guys just went right into class here. I feel like
it's true. It's
Where's
welcome.
Professor McGonagall? We're in session. Talk to us about the love potions.
Yeah.
We mentioned you guys do potions all year round. It's your shtick. How does it work?
So we'll go ahead and just get started. We'll show. Why don't both of us go ahead and throw on a robe, my dears? You want to be accustomed for class, of course. So go ahead and get prepped. I want to make sure we're both fully
I don't want
prepared.
any points for
Are we
Gryffindor.
gonna get
Oh,
graded?
it's true. It's true. You absolutely will. Hopefully an A+ on the way, my dears. But for now, we've got a couple wands. We'll figure out who do we want to adorn with that very
I would love a
first
wand.
Big moment.
Give this lady a wand.
You, my dear. We're going to go ahead start off for our Cupid's Cauldron by unlocking a couple of our ingredients. You'll find a little rune on the face of our lovely little tea box. Go ahead, a contact spell for me, right up against that bottom left point of that triangle. And go ahead right up against it, and then go ahead follow those clockwise for me. Every single point to point.
Come on.
Beautiful work. This is a tough spell, so for a first time, that unbinding spell is rather impressive, my dears. That's lovely, lovely work.
Why did I step back like fire was gonna?
Well, you never know. I'm not that skilled. It could have exploded.
It was rather
we
nice.
specialize in magic. That is a very big point.
I've got a cauldron for us. What we're going to go ahead and do, one of us go ahead and start grinding up for me. You've got some rosebuds as well as some
You got that
cardamom
mortar and
seeds.
pestle
What am I
on.
doing?
Go ahead, just dump those all right inside.
whole
Start
thing?
grinding up the entire
Where are
thing.
these
Go
from?
ahead. And those are going to be fresh from the apothecary, my dear. Brand new. And
I
then
like that
for
he's
us,
calling me his dear.
You are
it's true.
his
So
dear.
you're my prized student for now, my dear. Go ahead as well. One of us, we're going to start dumping each
I
of
would
those
love to.
ingredients
Here, you-
right
I'm
inside.
Want everything in here's going
all
in.
of it right on
full,
in.
Full
vial
canister.
for both of those.
Are you going to tell me what's in all of these?
That's going to be a citric acid right there. It's true. Go ahead, some happy love thoughts as you grind those up. Just make sure
Here we go.
you endow a bit of love.
Citric acid. Come on out, baby.
It's true. We've got our
There we go.
vodka as well. We're going to have some rose liqueur. And we've got a bit of grenadine.
I feel like I need to be saying like boil, boil.
Oh,
double
please
trouble.
do. Please do.
There we go.
The more personal the spell, of course, the stronger the
That
love
smelled like
potion
vodka.
is.
Oh, that's nice. That smells like roses. What's this red stuff?
That's going to be our grenadine and aquafaba.
She's muttering over here. I don't know if you... Are you speaking Spanish?
I'm saying happy love thoughts.
Okay.
Happy love thoughts.
I thought she was going to like
Happy
summon
love
Guadalupe or
Happy
something.
love thoughts.
She is using magical incantations.
There we go. Okay. Our producer upstairs in the booth would like this love potion to be for her because she's single.
We'll go ahead and save a bit for her then.
Brittany, this is for you, honey. All right. Do I put this last vial in?
Go ahead. Go right ahead. And while you're doing so, I've got just a bit of our enchanted quartz crystals prepped for us. So go ahead, pop that right on top. And right after I've done so, go ahead. Why don't we go ahead and sprinkle all of those freshly ground roses?
Go ahead.
Right
You're on. It's your time to
big
shine.
moment, my dear. Big moment. No pressure. No pressure. No pressure.
Right on in.
I'm sweating. Happy love
Watch
thoughts.
your
Happy
wizard
love thoughts.
sleep.
Good,
Happy love
looking
thoughts.
good.
Happy love thoughts. Happy love thoughts. Happy love thoughts.
That's beautiful. That's very, very
And some
nicely
for you,
done.
and for you,
oh,
and for
thank
you,
you,
and
thank
for
you.
me.
Now, we've also got for us ready our jars. Of course, we will have dumped those guys right inside. But for now, both of us go ahead and give these a nice strong shake. And this is what we've just batched up in that cauldron. And I've got some glasses right here for us.
I love the way
When
that's
we're ready, you're going to go ahead and strain right into those glasses.
Smells amazing.
And that's all for you, dear.
Oh boy, I can't open it. I
I've
didn't eat
got
my knees this morning, sir. Please.
Just a dash of
Thank you,
Angostura
Dawson.
bitters
No problem.
for both of those for
Look
us.
at this business.
And then
Here,
all
buddy.
you go ahead, strain right on in.
I'll help you.
I have never concentrated during a segment so much.
Me neither. I feel like
right
I'm
now.
actually going to mess up this potion.
It's rather impressive work, though. This is a tough first spell, I think, for a brand new student. So we're doing rather nice. And we'll go ahead, finish that off with a spritz of our rose blossom water for each of those. And that completes that Cupid's Cauldron. That was a lovely, lovely job as well. That was
We drink it now?
beautiful work.
Yes.
That's all you. We're absolutely ready.
I'm exhausted.
Watch my
Just for the two of us.
It's true. It's
You
true.
all are not going to drink this.
Oh, I'll take a sip as well.
I mean,
I'll
you
go.
know,
I'm
it's
very
hot
trusting.
out there in these streets.
Absolutely, absolutely.
A lady likes to make sure the gentleman takes a sip first to make sure it's, you know, kosher and all.
Oh my goodness, I'm in
Here,
love
here.
already with
All
this
right,
drink.
I'm going to go to the other
that
side.
was
from here.
rather well
for the
done.
young witches and wizards watching at home,
Yeah.
how can they come and take a
nice.
class?
So we do offer every single one of our potions as mocktails as well. So go ahead, just specify for us right as we end up arriving. I've done full kids parties, of course. We've done a couple folks. Maybe you've got one at the table who drinks, a couple who don't. We can absolutely accommodate that as well.
And this whole business, the whole thing, the whole kit and caboodle.
I know, I'm at a loss for words right now. This
Well,
was-
you know what? I like to think we made a love potion for the whole of New York City today because we
sure
could
did.
all use a little love.
It's
and
true,
you're
it's
going to
true.
drink a little love.
and
Thank
I've heard all
both
you
so
need
much.
is love.
Yes, absolutely. Thanks for having us on.